very well might be done playing hockey for the year by then, although who knows. Now in at the other end, Chris Golo roofs one and scores. He got just a tiny step behind Leo Loop. Had pressure all over his... Oliver Couillard, wrapped up a bit by the free arm of Bushinger. Now Kierstead from the line, a wrist shot deflection, save made by Ellis, rebound of Couillard scores. He was tied up with Wilmer Skoog. McGing and Loof both think Skoog went down a bit easy. Kierstead and McGing now come together. A good redirection chances in tight in his return to action. Now Dvorsky right circle with it. The wrist shot. He scores! Side that is now wiped as the checkers retag. Addison meanwhile carries into the Charlotte zone for the T-Birds, leaving in the slot Stenberg. Otto Stenberg curls his way in front. Dean scores! What a play from Stenberg to Dean! And Zach Dean's first goal in nearly a calendar year has tied the game at 2. Springfield in blue. Couillard chips it softly ahead for Steeves, driving wide on Addison left side. Ben Steeves around the net, got the puck in front, and Vilmanis scores. This time Asplund wins the draw. Kierstead off the glass. It goes off Addison to center. Alexandrov trying to rescue it, but Asplund pushes it on and into the empty net.